So this is my living room for now with no furniture. This living room is huge, so is the carpet. However, this carpet technically is too small, but I can make it work, and it's basically light gray, dark gray, a hint of blue in there, which you can't see right now because there's not that much light coming in. But yes, so here is the dining room carpet that matches it, and then the hallway. I love this. I went to Carmel yesterday with my best friend, and I was there for like 5 minutes, I swear, and I just had to get this because this is just not a typical, Somali carpet. But then here's the curtains. I'm going to be hanging them today on this window. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on how everything turns out. I am going to be getting a sectional sofa that goes whoop, and then all the way there and then comes up to here. And then here I will have the TV stand, and then the TV stand is like an IKEA one. It has a long storage, then the bottom storage, then another long that's glass, so I could put like, some, oh, what's up with the camera? It tries to focus on my finger. But yeah, I love this. Let me get close to it so you guys can see. It's just such a nice material, and like how do I explain this? So if you go this way, and then if you go this way, it's like black, but then if you do this, it's blue. You see what I mean? Like, what? Okay, maybe that's not that impressive. I'm gonna chill out. Excuse me, I'm sick. But it's going to be winter soon, so everyone is getting sick, but I still have a bunch of stuff there I'll be organizing. Here's the state of my apartment. Hey, we got a TV. Except for that, we also got internet, but this is a hot mess. And I'm only showing you guys this today because I'm about to get my living room furniture in. I decided to, I'm not sure if I showed you guys before, but I decided to roll up the carpets because we kept stepping on it and it's wet, and I'm like, no, I know, we're gonna step on it anyways once we do roll it back out, but then we can at least be a little bit more careful. And those are the dining and the hallway carpets as well that match the living room one. So yeah, this is how everything is looking. And in addition to that, we also had, well, we did this all by ourselves. We pulled up really. We also hung the curtains. If I roll it out, it's really beautiful, but I'm thinking if there's too much black and white going on in this room or area, like the rug is black and white and gray and slash a little bit of blue, but that's too much. So I might have to, the only reason I got this was because of the details. Look, oh, I wish you guys could see this. Like, look at that. And this also came with it. It was like a whole piece. When you do roll this out, like, it looks very beautiful. It touches the ground. The only issue I have is my theme was supposed to be like a hint of like wood as a decor, maybe like luxurious looking silver, shining. I don't know, modern plus like vintage. I don't know how that was gonna work out, but yeah, this is what I'm working with. And I'm about to get my living room today, my coffee table, and then we're gonna get the TV stand maybe on Saturday. I don't think I'll ever upload this, but if I do, I'm crazy. So last time I updated you guys, I was supposed to get a couch on this area. It was a sectional and it was too big, so I ended up having the guys deliver it. However, it wouldn't pass the largest sectional that was supposed to go there, wouldn't pass through this door. I don't get it. It looks like it's long enough, wide enough, but yeah. So sadly, that was a really beautiful, like dark smoky gray couch that was supposed to go like this, bloop. But yeah, that didn't work out. But I did have my coffee table delivered, and this thing is huge, just can't tell. And I still have those curtains up. Let me get close, but I do plan to take them down. But yeah, so far that's what we're working with. I do plan to get a coffee table, a TV unit or a TV stand today from IKEA. Maybe I'll bring you guys along. I don't think so. I'm too afraid to have camera around people. That's so awkward. I still haven't gotten my dining table. So much to do. So much. And so little. But yeah. Guys, every time I'm on behind the camera, I'm like legit having a panic attack. That's why I'm breathing so hard, like I ran 20 stairs. That's because I'm nervous. I don't really do this often. This is like a practice. I may or may not upload this kind of thing. Sorry, I'm just swirling you guys around. Okay, that's it for today. So this is the reveal. Oh my god, it looks so tiny on cameras. So I ended up putting the carpet down, and I did end up getting the furniture, but this is not the original couch I was supposed to get. It was supposed to be a big couch that will go all the way here, but it wouldn't fit through this door. Shocker, I know. So since it didn't fit through the door, we just ended up picking up this one, which is much smaller, but in real life it's actually huge. And I love the color. I still didn't take down the curtain. For now it will do the job, but yeah. And that's where the dining table will go. Oh yeah, I ended up getting a fake plant from IKEA, and that's actually a real plant there. And then I'm just working with this, so I will end up getting pillows, like throw pillows, a throw blanket. Are they called throw pillows? Whatever, couch pillows and a throw blanket. But yeah, today there's a lot of light going in. What a beautiful day. So yeah, and I still did not get a TV stand. Don't mind me guys, I just woke up. Hey guys, so ever since my last video, I have added, I've changed a couple things. So for example, I put, oh my goodness, I am the most OCD human ever. So I did, decided to put this here because it's more chic, but I do want to change the whole vibe of this room. And what I mean by that is I would like to take these plush pinks out of here, like for example that guy, and then put it in the bedroom when I get my nightstands or dressers. And I want to have, so the theme I want for here is gold, black, white, and blue, like the navy blue. But the only thing blue is, it will be like the pillows, like a hint of blue or black and white is gonna be on there. Right now, I did buy a couple things from, what is it? Was it TJ Maxx? No, Burlington. I got this from Burlington, that from Burlington, and I've always had this thing. But this is the IKEA book or magazine for, you know, inspirations for decor. I don't like this. It doesn't go with the room, so I'm gonna definitely get that contact marble paper and put it on top. But here's so far the progress of the house. And here I do have this 65-inch TV. We got that from IKEA. And the only thing I added here was this gold, since I'm starting to add the gold in this room. And then we just got a little bit of stuff going on there. I don't like those greeny plants, but I don't have anywhere to put them, so they can stay here for now. But yeah, this is the IKEA Brimness TV unit. And my favorite part of this whole room is actually this carpet. Like, I love this carpet so much. And this is the dining room carpet, which is like, these are all in one family. Like, I got them as a set. I think I already mentioned that. But yeah, this is the, you know, the progress of my living room. It really looks small on camera, but it's huge in real life. Yeah.